Hello friends, welcome to our channel Knowledge Amplifier. So in my this particular video, I am going to show you one interesting image processing or computer vision related project which you can easily implement in MATLAB using the convex hull. Okay, the central algorithm which is used here in this particular project is convex hull, right? So what the project will do basically here, first of all, based on skin color, it will detect the hands. Okay, although most of the time our face color and hand color are similar, almost similar, but I have written the code such that it will detect only the hands, not it will not confuse with face part. And then what it will do, it will create the convex hull separately for two different hands. Okay, or if you are showing only one hand in the webcam, then it will create the convex hull corresponding to that only. Okay, so now first let's see the visualization or the working of the project, and then I will go to the code and explain you, and I will be posting the code in the description box also. If you want, you can take there and have fun with it. Okay, so let's see the implementation. So here is the how the code is working. CLC clear all close all warning off as we generally write. Then I am creating one object, okay, that is a cascade object detector for detecting the face part. Because see, here you have seen the implementation how the project is working, and you have seen that the face color and the hands color are almost similar, but we need to create the convex hull for only hands. So what we are doing here, basically first we are detecting the skin color, okay, which will basically detect both hands as well as face. Then we'll try to separate the face part using this F detect. Okay, we will detect the face part and we will try to separate from that skin color segmented output. Okay, so first of all I am creating webcam, and then while true infinite loop. So if you want to come out of the loop, you have Control C in the command window, and then I am taking one snapshot using my webcam, and then I am detecting the face part, okay, of the corresponding image using step function as we know. Then what I am doing, I am calculating the size of my image whatever our webcam is capturing. And then this one, okay, what this is doing, this is basically segmenting the skin color, okay, and this create mask function you have to create according to your own skin color, which I have created here. Okay, I am not showing that because I hope you are already familiar with how to create mask for detecting one particular color. Lots of example I have discussed. Okay, if you want to know the detailed explanation how you can create the mask using color thresholder app, I will be providing the link in the description box. You can go to that video and check in detail. Okay, then what I am doing, I am basically cropping the only face part whatever our this vision.cascade object detector is detecting. Okay, and then I am also calculating the size of that, right? Creating one zero matrix of the same size as the detected face. And BW, what is BW? BW is basically the segmented skin part which contains both hand as well as face. But what I want to remove the face part because I don't want to get convex hull for my face, right? So what I am doing in that particular part, okay, I am selecting that particular part where our cascade object detector is detecting the face, and there I am putting same size zero matrix. Okay, that's what which I have created here. All right, and then what I am doing, I am filling holes in the rest parts which is basically hands. Okay, then what I am doing, there might be some noise present in that, so I am taking largest two object, okay, BW area filtering the largest two object from that, and also applying BW area open in this, okay, considering the only binary object should come which is having more than 5000 pixels. Now you might think that if I am already calculating this particular two biggest object, then why we require this? Because sometime it might happen that when you are showing only one hand, that time some part of your neck might come, and neck is very small part, so obviously it should contain lesser than 5000 pixel, okay. So by the trial and error method I have got this, and I am filtering this way, okay. Then I am applying convex hull on that, on individual object, okay, not on the whole image. Remember, this has two hands, separate convex hull we have to get, not merged convex hull, okay. And then we no need whole part, we are taking only the perimeter so that we can show the polygon, right? If we don't calculate the polygon, what will happen? If we don't calculate the perimeter, that time the complete particular hand part will be green color. We don't want that. We want to show only the boundary part, so that we are using BW perim on that, and then applying IM dilate so that the boundary become little bit thicker, okay. And in those pixels we are traversing in my original captured image, and in those pixels wherever our ER value is 1 for the binary image, we are making green color, okay. Only the second channel, because RGB, red, green, blue, so green channel is the second one. I am making the green channel as 255, red and blue channel as 0, okay. And then showing that, as simple as that, and giving draw now for animation purpose, and ending this infinite while loop. So this is what is the whole code. I hope you have understood easily. The same code will be posted in the description box or in the comment section. If you want, you can check there. Thank you for watching.